Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter linear function and the lessons we're going to cover today are find the slope from a graph, find the slope from 2 points, find a missing coordinate using slope, and find the slope from an equation. So let's just start with the first lesson. So here I'm on grade 7 math. The chapter is linear functions. The lesson is find the slope from a graph. Okay, so you are given with a graph, you have to find the slope of the graph. How do you find a slope when you are given with a graph? Okay, so basically, what is slope? Slope is change in y divided by change in x. So basically, you need to see what is the rate of change of values y and x. Got it? Y divided by x. So you have to select any 2 points on the graph. Any random points, you can select any. Like this one and this one. You have to look for the coordinates. The coordinate of this one is x is 5 and y is 0. And the coordinate for this point is you can see x is 7 and y is 3. Got it? So you can use these points. You have to subtract the y coordinates divided by the x coordinates. For this one, the y coordinates are 3 and 0. So you have to do 3 take away 0. The next coordinate is 7 take away 5. So it would be 3 over 2. Basically, the slope, the rate of change is 3 over 2 or 1.5. Got it? That means for every point, the rate of change is 3 over 2. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, look at this graph. What is slope? So you are given with a graph, you have to calculate the slope. Let's just select any 2 points on the graph. This one and this one and this one. Got it? Okay, so for this one, the coordinates are x is 2 and y is 0. And for this one, you can see x is 4 and y is 2. Got it? You have to calculate the slope. Slope is change in y. First, you have to subtract the y coordinates. These are the x coordinates and these are the y coordinates. So you have to do 2 take away 0 and then subtract x coordinate x 4 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is 2 minus 0 is 2 and 4 divided 4 take away 2 is 2. X is 4 and y is 3. Sorry. You can see x is 4, y is 3. So it would be 3 minus 0 and 4 take away 2. So 3 minus 0 is 3 and 4 take away 2 is 2. So actually the slope of the graph is 3 over 2. Got it? So the correct option is 3 over 2. Okay, the next one is look at the graph. What is the slope? So you have to find the slope of the graph. So you can select any 2 points. The first one here and here. Got it? You can select any like this one, this one. So any. So this just look at the coordinates of this point. This is x is 60 and y is 10. The coordinates are 60 and 10. Got it? Now just look at this one. The coordinates are x is 90 and y is 70. 60, 10 and 90, 70. Okay, the coordinates are 60 and 10, and 90 and 70. So x component, y, x coordinate and y. So you have to do slope is change in y divided by change in x, or either you can say y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Got it? These are the coordinates x1 and y1. These are x2 and y2. So you have to do y2 minus y1. So you have to do 70 minus 10, and x2 minus x1 you have to do 90 minus 60. So 70 minus 10 is 60, and 90 minus 60 is 30. Got it? When you divide, it would be 30 times 2 is 60 and 30 times 1 is 30. So the slope of the graph is 2. The slope of the graph is 2. Okay, look at this graph. What is the slope? So you have to select any 2 point and then you have to calculate the slope. This one and this one. Got it? You can see, just look at the change in y. That is an easier way to calculate the change in y, that is 2. And for this one you can see the change in x, that would be just 1. So it would be 2 over 1, that equals to, that is the easiest way you can find the slope. Got it? Just select any 2 points and find the value. It would be 2 and 1, so it would be 2 over 1, the slope is 2. Got it? So for this one the slope is 2. Got it? That is the easiest way. This way you don't need to calculate the coordinates and then you have to subtract them. That is the easiest way to find the slope. Just select any 2 point. Okay, let's just do this one. Okay, this one and this one. Got it? Just make a triangle. Got it? Now you can see the y values 1, 2, 3. Here you have 3 boxes, and here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you have 6. Got it? So change in y, that is the y coordinate, y value, and that is the 6. It would be 3 over 6, and you can say it is 1 over 2. The correct option is 1 over 2. That is the easiest way you have to do. When writing the coordinates, that is actually the same thing you can do. This, the coordinates for this one is x is 0, y is 40, and for this one is x is 60 and y is 70. It would be 60 and 70. Got it? Okay, so this one is x1, y1. This one is x2, y2. 70 minus 40 divided by 60 minus 0. They are 30 over 60. So 30 times 1 is 30 and 30 times 2 is 60. See, both way the values are exactly same. Got it? Correct option is 1 over 2. Okay, then next one is, what, look at the graph. What is the slope? So you have to calculate the slope of the graph. So let's just select any 2 points on the graph and calculate the slope. But now I'm going to use two of the points on the graph. Got it? Okay, this one and this one. Got it? Just look at the slope coordinates for these 2 points. So for this one, x is 50, y is 10. 50 and 10. 50 and 10. And for this one, x is 60 and y is 40. 60 and 40. So the x1 and y1, the coordinates are x2 and y2. So you have to do y2 minus y1, that is 40 minus 10 divided by x2 minus x1. You have to do 60 minus 50. So 40 minus 10 is 30 and 60 minus 50 is 10. Got it? So it would be 3 over 1 and that equals 3. So the coordinate, the slope for this graph is 3. Got it? The correct option is 3. Okay, the next one is look at the slope. Okay, now I'm going to use this one and this one. Let's just make a triangle using easier way. Here you have two blocks and here you have one, two, three, four blocks. So it will be 2 over 4 and that equals 1 over 2. So the slope of the graph is 1 over 2. Got it? So the correct option is 1 over 2. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is find the slope from 2 points. Okay, first we're working on the graph. If you are given with a graph, how do you find the slope? Now we are given with 2 points. So that is an easiest. Like from the graph, you have to find the points and then you have to calculate the slope. Now you are given with a graph that is the easier, much easier than the last one. You have to just use the point. Like for this one, find the slope of the line that passes through 1, 6 and 10, 5. So you are given two of the points. They are 1, 6 and 2, 5, 10, 5. 1, 6 and 10, 5. Got it? So this one is x1 and y1. This one is x2 and y2. It doesn't matter which coordinates you write x1, y1 and which coordinates you write x2, y2. Got it? So you have to do slope is change in y divided by change in x. You have to do y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Got it? Here is y2 5 and y1 is 6. Do 5 minus 6 and 10 minus 1. Hold on. Okay, so 10 5 minus 6 is negative 1 and 10 minus 1 is 9. So the slope of the graph is negative 1 over 9. Got it? Here it is, the slope is negative 1 over 9. Let's just start with the practice questions. Find the slope of the line that passes through 3, 19, 10 and 10. Okay, so here is the coordinates x1 and y1 and here is x2 and y2. So you have to calculate the slope, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here is y2 10 and minus y1, that is 19. So it would be 10 minus 19. Then x2 minus x1, that is 10 minus 3. Got it? So 10 minus 19, you are subtracting a smaller number out of the greater one. It would be negative 9. And 10 minus 3 is 7. It would be negative 9 over 7. So the slope for the graph is, for the points at negative 9 and 7. Got it? Find the slope of the line that passes through 9, 10, 1, 13. The points are 9 and 10. So the coordinates are x1 and y1, x2 and y2. So you have to calculate the slope, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So you have to do 13 minus 10 divided by 1 minus 9. I think that's the one we did on the tutorial. 13 minus 10 is, no, not the one. 13 minus 10 is 3 and 1 minus 9 is negative 8. So the slope of the graph is negative 3 over 8. Got it? It is negative 3 over 8. Okay, find the slope of the line that passes through 5, 4 and 10, 2. So the points are 5, 4 and 10, 2. So the coordinates are x1 and y1. Yes, very good. That would be negative 2 and 5. Let me just calculate. Got it? Okay, that is x1, y1, x2, y2. So it would be y2 minus y1, 2 minus 4, and x2 minus x1, that would be 10 minus 5. So 2 minus 4 is negative 2, and 10 minus 5 is 5. So the correct option is negative 2 and 5. So the correct option is negative 2 over 5. Find the slope of the line that passes through 7, 9, 2, 2. 7 and 9, 2 and 2. So x1 and y1, x2 and y2. So the slope is y2 minus y1, 2 minus 9, and x2 minus y1, 2 minus 7. So 2 minus 9 is negative 7, and 2 minus 7 is negative 5. So it would be 7 over 5. The slope is 7 over 5. The correct option is 7 over 5. Okay, the next one is find the slope of the line that passes through 6, 8, 9, and 4. So the points are 6 and 8, 9 and 4. 6 and 8, 9 and 4. So they are x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. 4 minus 8 is negative 4, and 9 minus 63. So the slope is negative 4 over 3. Got it? So the slope of the point 6, 8 and 9, 4 is negative 4 over 3. Find the slope of the line that passes through 2, 16 and 7, 8. The coordinates are 2, 16, 2 and 16, 7 and 8. So slope is x1, y1, x2, y2. 8 minus 16 and 7 minus 2. 8 minus 16 is negative 8, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So it would be negative 8 over 5. So the slope is negative 8 over 5. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is find a missing coordinate using slope. Okay, now you're given with the slope and you are missing one of the coordinate. Got it? Like just look at the Example, the points negative 8k and negative 7, 6 fall on a line with a slope of 6. What is the value of k? Got it? So the points are negative 8 and k. The other one is negative 7 and 6. Also, you are given with the slope that is the fall on a line with a slope 6. You are given the slope that is 6. So basically, you have to use the same formula you are using for the slope. Got it? This is x1, y1. But here you have the value of the slope. That is slope equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope is 6. Just replace all the values. y2 minus y1, it is 6 minus k. x2 minus x1, it is negative 7 and negative 8. Got it? Now we have to just solve this equation for k. It is 6 equals 6 minus k and negative 7 plus 8. Negative and subtracting a negative number is same as adding. Got it? So it would be 6 equals 6 minus k and 8 minus 7 is just 1. Just do cross multiplication. So it would be 6 times 1 equals 6 minus k times 1. That is 6 equals 6 minus k. So you have to move k other side and then 6, move this 6 minus 6. That means k equals 0. Got it? That means the missing coordinate is 0. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, our line has a slope of 1 and includes the point 7, 6 and 3k. What is the value of k? And the slope is 1. So we know that slope equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it would be slope is 1 by 2 minus y1 k minus 6 x2 minus x1 3 minus 7. Here you have 1 k minus 6 divided by 3 minus 7 is negative 4. Got it? So just do cross multiplication. It would be negative 4 equals k minus 6. Move k other side, it would be negative 4 plus 6. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So the missing coordinate of the point is 2. Got it? That means the missing coordinate is 2. You are guessing the answers. Please don't guess. Use your notebook and pencil and then solve the problem and then you can write the answer. Got it? Okay, a line has a slope of negative 7 and include the points negative 3t and negative 4t. Okay, the slope is negative 7. The coordinates are negative 3 and negative 3t, negative 4t. So the formula for the slope is y2 minus y1 equals x2 minus x1. Would be 2 minus t, negative 4 minus negative 3. It would be 2 minus t and negative 4 plus 3. The slope is negative 7. Sorry, I forgot to write slope. Okay, so the negative 7 equals 2 minus t. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Just do cross multiplication, it would be 7 equals 2 minus t. Move 2, it would be 7 minus 2 equals negative t. So 5 equals negative t and t equals negative 5. That means the missing coordinate is negative 5. So the correct option is negative 5. The points negative 4, negative 5 and negative 5g fall on a line with a slope of negative 10. Negative 4, negative 5 and negative 5g. And the slope is negative 10. So it would be slope equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1, g minus 5 divided by minus 5 minus 4. Also the slope is negative 10. Got it? So it would be negative 10 equals g plus 5 divided by negative 5 plus 4. So it would be negative 10 equals g plus 5 and negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. So when you cross multiply, it would be 10 equals g plus 5. Move 5 other side, it would be 10 minus 5 and g equals 5. So the correct option is g equals 5. Okay, the next one is the points negative 7k and negative 4, negative 6 fall on a line with a slope of negative 5. What is the value of k? So you have to calculate the value of k. It would be negative 7k and negative 4, negative 6. Slope is negative 5. Slope equals y2 minus y1 divided by, so slope is negative 5, so that equals negative 6 minus k divided by negative 4 minus 7. So it would be negative 5 equals negative 6 minus k, negative 4 plus 7. So it would be negative 5 equals negative 6 minus k divided by 7 minus 4 is 3. Just do cross multiplication. So it would be negative 15 equals negative 6 minus k. Move negative 6. So it would be negative 15 plus 6 equals negative k. So negative k equals negative 9 and k equals 9. Got it? That means the missing coordinate k equals 9. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is find the slope from an equation. Okay, so now you are given with the equation, you have to find the slope from the equation. So how do we find the slope of the equation? How do we find the slope from the equation? Let's just start with the first example. Y equals negative 4x negative 9 over 2. Okay, so the slope intercept form of the equation, general form of the slope intercept form of the equation is y equals mx plus b. Got it? You simply have to compare this general form of slope intercept form with the given equation. Got it? When you compare, you can see m equals negative 9 and b equals 9 over 2. So m is the slope, that means slope equals negative 4. That is very easy. You just have to compare the given equation with the slope intercept form. Okay, the next one is find the slope y equals 3 over 2x minus 1 over 3. Y equals 3 over 2x minus 1 over 3. So just compare this equation with y equals mx plus b. So when you compare, you can see m equals 3 over 2. That would be the slope. That equals 3 over 2. So the correct option is 3 over 2. Okay, find the slope of the line y equals 1 over 4x. So which is the correct option? Slope equals 1 over 4. Got it? You have b0 here in the equation. The slope equals 1 over 4. Find the slope of the line y equals 4x minus 6. So which is the correct option? You have to compare the given equation with y equals mx plus b. So the slope is 4. The correct option is 4. Find the slope of the line y equals negative 1 over 3x plus 2 over 7. So which is the correct option? So the slope of the line is negative 1 over 3. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, find the slope of the line y equals 8 over 3x plus 9 over 2. So which is the slope of the line? The slope of the line is 8 over 3. Correct option is 8 over 3. Find the slope of the line y equals 9 over 7x plus 3 over 8. So which is the correct option? Which is the slope of the line? Slope of the line is 9 over 7. The correct option is 9 over 7. Find the slope of the line y equals negative 2 over 3x. So which is the slope of the line? That would be negative 2 over 3x. Negative 2 over 3 is slope actually. Okay, find the slope of the line y equals 3 over 4x minus 8. So which is the slope of the line? The slope of the line is 3 over 4. Okay, find the slope of the line y equals negative 8 over 3x plus 2. So which is the slope of the line? Yes, the slope of the line is negative 8 over 3. Find the slope of the line y equals negative 4 over x, negative 1 over 4x plus 9 over 7. So which is the correct option? The slope of the line is negative 1 over 4. Find the slope of the line y equals 2x plus 4 over 9. So which is the correct option? Slope of the line is 2. So the correct option is 2. Find the slope of the line y equals 4 over 5x minus 4 over 9. So which is the correct option? It would be 4 over 5. So the correct option is 4 over 5. Find the slope of the line y equals negative 4x minus 9 over 2. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is negative 4. The slope of the line is negative 4. Okay, find the slope of the line y equals 4 over 3x. So which is the correct option? Yes, the slope of the line is 4 over 3. Got it? Find the slope of the line y equals negative 7 over 8x plus 7 or 9. So which is the correct option? Slope of the line is negative 7 over 8. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 7 maths. Chapter we're working on is linear functions, and the lessons we have covered today are find the slope from a graph, find the slope from 2 points, find the missing coordinate using slope, and find the slope from an equation. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So you can ask question if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.